So how are you doing today, Terry?
Very good, thank you. Things are good.
So, I believe you're in Vegas, right? At your office over there, right?
That's correct, yes. Yeah.
So how's Vegas, the situation there? I believe the coronavirus, COVID-19. So tell me about it. What's the situation over there in Vegas?
Well, pretty sad. Everybody's on lockdown like they are everywhere, I think in North America right now, Europe. And pretty sad. The strip, all the casinos are closed down. 205,000 people out of work just in the casino business. So it's not looking good.
Okay, yeah. So for us here in Vancouver, we are, I would say, almost in lockdown. So I think because Ontario, Quebec already have a pretty much lockdown mode. They announced yesterday they're trying to trim down and ask all the non-essential business to close down. So I think BC will come fairly soon.
Yeah, I would imagine.
Yeah. So thank you for your time, taking the time for us to do the interview today at the office over there, because I believe you're a very unique story. I want you to tell us a bit about what Ovation Science does and what's the background of the company. And I believe you have a sanitizer business, which is very interesting. Can you tell me a bit about your background, about the sanitizer business right now?
Sure. Ovation Science was started about 2 years ago. It licensed the technology, a delivery system technology from another company that we were involved in. And it's a polymer technology for the delivery of drugs to the skin. So our market is wellness products and beauty care products. And of course, when this whole issue hit with the pandemic of COVID-19, we already the other company had developed a product called DermSafe to tackle that. And so we immediately licensed that from the company along with all the technology and started to formulate that product or manufacture that product and get it in the marketplace.
So why is the DermSafe such like a high demand right now? What's so unique about it?
Well, first, anything to do, during the pandemic, anything to do with protecting healthcare workers, which is the number one thing to take care of, is in desperate need, whether it be hand sanitizers or masks or gowns or gloves or ventilators or whatever. And so this particular product that has many key benefits over the alcohol hand sanitizer market products, and thus the need.
Okay, so where is DermSafe being made, and what countries can it be sold right now across the world?
Well, DermSafe, and here's a bottle of it. This is our 2-ounce bottle. One application will last you 4 hours, so this whole bottle would last you for a month if you put it on twice a day. DermSafe right now is being manufactured right here in Las Vegas. We're exporting to Canada, the United Kingdom, China. Lots of requests both in Europe for quotes. We're quoting in the millions of bottles for Europe and also Latin America, and getting ready to manufacture not only here but in Canada as well, where we've manufactured in the past in Ontario.
Okay, so how many actual orders have been made so far? I believe some from China, particularly, right, in your press releases in the past.
Yeah, we've received a couple of orders from China that total in the area of about 30,000 bottles. We shipped to them, and then there was some issues getting it through customs. They've now settled that, so we're expecting big orders to come here in the next few weeks as well. And Canada as well. We're quoting on, I'm very serious here, millions of bottles right now for Canada, both in healthcare and all the way through to the university level.
So let's say in China, you mentioned, let's say any person regularly, can they buy this in China? Anybody buy it from China here?
Yeah, our initial distributor in China has a site set up on WeChat, so they can buy it on there right now in China and distribute it to them.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, maybe we'll show it to the audience later on, and maybe you can tell us a bit about Ovation Science. Let's say your symbol, share structure, a bit sort of a summary to tell the investors about your company now.
Yeah, well, Ovation Science trades on the CSE, the Canadian Securities Exchange. We're making application right now to begin trading on the OTCQB, but that's a good 30 to 45 days out. So right now it trades exclusively on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Stock symbol OVAT, OVAT. That's OVAT. And of course, it's very aggressive. It's green when most of them have been red on the stock side. So that's very, very good.
Which is very rare. And so I know this is you're getting a lot of orders. So what's the potential of this product and also for Ovation Science, let's say in the next few months, for not just short term and midterm as well?
Well, right now we're manufacturing another 130,000 bottles right now here in Las Vegas, and we've got 3 people competing for it. So it's almost the highest bidder gets it, and it's not like that. I'm just saying that. And so we're busy. I mean, the biggest issue, we're getting ingredients, getting bottles, getting lids in, and all this to manufacture more. And that's why we need another manufacturer. And that's why we're working in Canada as well. The market is huge. The hand sanitizer market, as you know, is in the billions of dollars worldwide. Our product's a game changer. It's a game changer because alcohol hand sanitizers are exactly what they say. They're instant. So when there's a germ or a bacteria on a doorknob and you grab it and you walk away, you've now got it. You put your hand sanitizer on, it kills it. Your alcohol one. With our product, and then as soon as you touch your doorknob again, you pick it up again and you pick it up again. So you can't. So with our product, it stays on the skin for 4 hours. It uses chlorhexidine glutenate. Chlorhexidine has been safely used in hospitals for over 50 years in the scrub-up room. It's a soap. Every hospital uses it today because it kills both bacteria and viruses. And this is the envelope virus. We've tested on 3 different envelope viruses, all done at major virology lab in London, England. And we kill those on instant and for up to 4 hours. So alcohol hand sanitizer is instant. Our product stays on for 4 hours and continues to kill. So now you grab that doorknob and you walk away, you got our product on, it kills it before you touch your mouth, nose, or eyes, and which will get you sick. So that's the game changer. It's long-term versus instant.
Okay. Yeah. So I'd like to leave the audience with one last question. And as always, the question I always ask each CEO when you do it, let's say your company, the stock is on the rise of some movement recently. And why should investors still pay attention and follow your stock or consider investing in you right now?
Well, what we're facing right now is not going away. And what it will be in the minds of many people for years to come now, because of what happened, how this pandemic affected the world, people are going to be more concerned about hand hygiene than ever before. This product will be sold in every retail drugstore worldwide. I'm positive of that. It will be in every hospital. I'm positive of all that. So we're talking about a company that could eventually be doing multi-millions of dollars worth of business every year. And so that takes us from where we're at today to a huge company.
Wow, that's very exciting, and I'm looking forward to seeing that developments very soon. So, again, thank you for your time, Terry, today. Yeah, that's it for now, and I would like to probably have to do some follow-up interviews with you later on when it gets too exciting, and any other questions from our audience later on. So, thank you again. We will talk soon, Terry.
Thank you very much, Gilbert.
Thank you. Yes.